In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your OneDrive folder, 5 minutes. Let's start with the most direct route. Open File Explorer. You can use the taskbar icon or press Windows plus E if that's quicker for you. Once it's open, look over to the left-hand navigation pane. You should see OneDrive listed there, usually marked with a white or blue cloud icon. Select it and you'll be looking at your synced OneDrive files. This is the OneDrive folder on your PC. If you use more than one account, you might see separate entries like OneDrive, Personal, and OneDrive, Work, or School. Click the one you want, and everything inside will sync with the cloud automatically. Another fast option is from the taskbar notification area near the clock. Find the OneDrive cloud icon there. If you don't see it right away, click the small up arrow to show hidden icons, then click the OneDrive cloud to open the menu. In that menu, choose Open Folder or Open OneDrive. That command jumps you straight into your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. This menu is also handy for checking status. A syncing circle means files are updating, a green check means you're up to date, and a warning badge signals something needs attention. If the icon is hard to find, there's a third way. Click the Start button and type OneDrive in the search bar. Select the OneDrive app from the results to open it, then use Open Folder from there to go directly to your synced files. Searching is especially helpful if your taskbar icons are hidden or your File Explorer layout looks different. A quick bit of context as you navigate. Your OneDrive folder lives in your user profile by default, and File Explorer treats it like any other folder. You can drag files in to upload them, create new folders, and everything will sync to the cloud when you're online. If you don't see OneDrive in the navigation pane at all, it may not be set up on this device or syncing might be paused. Opening the OneDrive app from search will guide you to sign in and bring the folder back. Before we wrap up, here are two simple tips. First, in File Explorer, right-click your OneDrive folder and choose Pin to Quick Access, so it's always near the top of the sidebar. Second, if you use multiple accounts, check the account label in the OneDrive menu so you open the correct folder every time. And that's it. Whether you prefer File Explorer, the taskbar icon, or the Start menu search, you now have 3 reliable ways to locate your OneDrive folder quickly.